Hi, this is my YouTube channel, Ride and Sign, and welcome to my channel. So, I got some of my things from Nykaa and I'm doing a haul of that. So, if you're girly pop, please watch this, and if you're a guy watching this, please give all this to your girlfriend. Okay? Let's start. पहले इसको खोलते हैं. Excited. We are so excited, na? We as a girl are so excited for getting all those things. So happy. By the way, I got this all from Black Friday sale that is going on right now, and I got around 500 discount because of those, and other than that there were other discounts as well. 500 was overall discount. So let's start. Let's keep this down. चलो अब स्टार्ट किया जाए. First thing is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water All-in-One 4. All-in-One, not 4. Sorry. Next item is this is my favorite. This is Lay Marble Heavenly Beauty Secrets. So this is jade roller and also gua sha. So this is necessary for women's all above 24 or 25 years of age. If I'll open this, so just investing some of my adult money in this all. This is so beautiful. Just see. Oh, it's broken. Nykaa. See this. It's broken, guys. I'll return this most probably. So, but yeah, it was beautiful. I'll return it. Now this is like you have to put the oil or whatever you put it in serum, and then you do it like this to get the glow in the skin. And this was also roller, so this is just 10 minutes thing that girls do. Most of the girls in their late 20s do. So this is like this. I am in my mid 20s, by the way. So this is one thing, but yeah, I'm little sad because it came broken. We'll get it exchanged because it was around 4,000 rupees. Okay, no, not 4,000, sorry, 400. So this is 400. And so next is this Vaseline. So this is the body lotion. It's Sun Protect SPF 30, UVA and UVB protection is there, so you can use this. I got it for my skin. Next is it's like ढूंढो क्या क्या मिलता है. ठीक है. So this is the costliest shampoo other than Nykaa that I have used. So this is if you could see, this is Wella Professional Nutri Enriched Shampoo. So I recently got my hair colored, and usually I do it on a tenure of 3 to 6 months. So this is the one. This is just 250 ml, guys, and its cost is 665. I got it around 500. I'll post the cost breakdowns in maybe later of the videos. So this is it. Let's try it. This is my first time trying it. I'll give a review after this. Okay, this one, the most famous brand, Himalaya. So I got this tan removal orange pill off mask from Nykaa, and the other one is this. This one is very good. This one is Be Body Wise 4% AHA BHA underarm roll-on. This is necessary for all my girlies. Please have one in your wardrobe for this. Just a second. So if you could see this, next is this. This was the free one that I got. It's from the brand Squazer Cough. This is Moisture Kick Spray Conditioner. Okay, so this was the freebie. I got it. Other than that, there are few items that are yet to be delivered. So this was the first thing. Now, okay, this one. So I got 2 lipstick for myself. This is Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. So basically this is not lipstick, this is lip pencil. So it's lip liner basically, that we use it on the outer layering of our lips to get it more enhanced. Okay, so next is this Nykaa. I like Nykaa's lipstick because it's very creamy and it's like it doesn't make my lips chapped. So next one is this one, guys. So this is Maybelline Sensation liquid matte lipstick. So this is in my favorite color. This is if you could see, let's see it. It is Touch of Spice. Okay, this is another one, lipstick. So that was lip liner and this one is lipstick. So now the last one that I have in my carton box is this one. So this is necessary for all my girls wherever we are doing heat, applicable to hairs or something like straighteners in daily life, curlers. So in that case we should also use something to moisturize our hair to get it more healthy. So I got this Spa Essence. So it is like Squazer Cofferly. So this is basically a mask to get our hair properly and moisture proof. And also this I got it around 600 or 500, but it's very helpful, guys. You should go and buy it. So whoever wants to do spa in their home, like on a weekly basis or on a monthly basis, they should get this. Thank you. So this was all for the present Nykaa haul. Maybe I'll keep some more hauls in the futures. For now, this is it. If you like the videos, please go like and subscribe, and please be regular to my channel. I'll be posting more of these videos. Thank you.